Client upgraded their store. Within hours, checkout stopped working, orders were failing, and the customers were leaving. And literally, they were losing money every hour. Now, here is the interesting part. Nothing looked broken on the home page. The site was loading fine, but the real problem was hidden where it matters the most. Checkout. Here is what happened after the upgrade. Theme got distorted and payment gateway failed. Customer could browse the site but couldn't complete the orders. Imagine running ads, getting traffic, and then losing customers at the checkout. The issue is not Magento, it is the upgrade approach. They upgraded Magento 2.3 to 2.4 without checking extension compatibility, without checking the theme stability, and without verifying the payment integration. Magento upgrades don't fail, unplanned upgrades do. When they came to us, here is what we did step by step. We took full backup because safety first. We created the staging environment. We audited all the extensions. Then we resolved all the compatibility issues. We checked the theme stability, and then we tested checkout and payment thoroughly. We didn't just fix what was broken, we fixed the system behind it. After fixing, checkout started working, same store became stable, and orders started coming again. Same traffic, same store, but this time it was converting. If you are planning for Magento upgrade, don't treat it like a simple update because it impacts your revenue, your customer experience, and your business stability. I have created free Magento risk audit. Link is in the description. If you found this helpful, subscribe. I keep sharing Magento insights and cases like this.